Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your cloud storage with Dropbox, full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Dropbox account using your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the settings by clicking on your profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner. Select the settings option from the drop-down menu. Once in settings, go to the security tab. Here, you will see various security options that you can configure. Start by enabling two-step verification for an added layer of protection. Click on the Enable button next to two-step verification. Follow the prompts to link your phone number for receiving authentication codes. You can choose to receive codes via SMS or an authentication app. Next, review your connected devices and applications. Identify any devices you do not recognize and remove them if necessary. Return to the Security tab and enable File Recovery settings for extra safety. This feature allows you to recover deleted files within a specific time frame. Consider setting up a strong password if you haven't already. Make sure it includes a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Change your password regularly to enhance security. Limit shared folder access to only those who absolutely need it. Review sharing settings and remove permissions for anyone who no longer needs access. Regularly audit your account activity for any unauthorized access. Check for unfamiliar locations or devices that have accessed your account. Consider using a password manager for generating and storing secure passwords. Keep your devices secure by installing antivirus software and enabling firewalls. Always keep your operating system and applications up to date to protect against vulnerabilities. Lastly, educate yourself on phishing scams to avoid accidentally compromising your account. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your cloud storage with Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.